Hey friends, this is Asif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel, and you can see that recently we have the closing above this resistance of the channel. That was a very long-term resistance, one of the biggest resistance in the history of Bitcoin. Not all-time biggest, but one of the biggest resistance levels. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see finally we have broken out this descending triangle as well. And in today's video, we will take a look at the next expected move of Bitcoin. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with this weekly time frame chart. And you can see we had a very long-term resistance. We got rejected here, we got another rejection here. By the way, we had a fake out for 1 or 2 or 3 weeks, but we re-entered the same channel and we got rejection here, we got another rejection here, another rejection here, and finally after the formation of this huge double bottom, I was telling you that this double bottom can be a very big reason for this breakout, and we can see that we have finally broken out the resistance of this very long-term and big down channel. And by the way, this down trend line support is also very strong. You can see that we have also tested this support several times as well. And this was a very strong support zone that I was showing you in my previous videos, that starts from $19,500 and goes to $17,500. After this extreme and big drop, we tested this support of $17,500. And if we take a look at the previous history, then here back in December and in November 2020, it was working as a very strong support and resistance here on this weekly time frame chart. And here back in December 2017, this level was working as a strong resistance zone back in 2017, when we had this rally almost up to $20,000. And right now you can see again, when the price line entered in this zone, we had a nice bounce but rejected by this resistance of the channel. Then we again moved down and we had another bounce and formed this double bottom and broke out the resistance of this down channel. Now if we take a look at the next key resistance, that is here at $28,600, that has been breaking as a very strong support since after December 2020, when we broke it out here. We retested this level as a support. We retested this level almost here and here and here as well. And for several weeks, 1, 2, 3, and 4 weeks, we tested this level as a support, but finally we broke it down. Therefore, this level can work as a strong resistance for the price line. Now, if we take a look at this descending triangle that I was showing you in my previous video, then you can see that finally we have broken out this resistance of the descending triangle. Now, our expected target after this breakout to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $31,800, and in that situation we can expect that it can also break out this bigger resistance of $28,600 as well. But you can see that finally we have also broken out a very strong resistance of $20,000 as well. On the daily time frame chart, you can see this level is working as a nice support and resistance, here as a resistance, here as a support, and here as a support, here as a support, and here for the past several days this level was working as a resistance. Therefore, there is a probability that we may retest this previous resistance, or maybe we will also retest this previous resistance of the triangle as a support. In that situation, we can expect a drop up to $19,000 as well. And if we watch the stochastic, then you can see that the price line is forming higher than previous high, but stochastic is not able to do so. It is forming a lower than previous high. RSI is also forming higher than previous high, like the price line is doing, but stochastic is showing bearish divergence on the chart. Therefore, we can expect, and in fact, we are facing this sell-off. You can see that the price line could not continue its move to the upside, and now we are facing this sell-off, and there is a probability that we may retest this support of $20,000, or maybe this previous resistance of the triangle as a support, and then the price line will start the next reversal move to the upside. And now if we take a look at the final target for this bigger breakout, you can see that we have broken out this channel, but still we need to also break out this level as well. After that is the spike of this candle that has broken out this resistance of the channel. Once we will have the closing above this level, then this breakout will be confirmed. The final target is here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $65,000 to $70,000 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.